Welcome once again to Cooking Around's channel. Welcome, welcome. What do we have for you today? Today, Oreo Natella Pancakes. And why I'm making this is because we have a nice young lady that comes to one of our schools. Her name is Nadia. And she told me that she just loves this combination, especially with pancakes. So I know it's going to be on the sweet side, but Nadia, this is for you, so please pay attention. And here we go. Just look at this, the perfect pancake. And look how it slices. It slices like you're going through butter. And inside is moist, and it tastes really good because you have Oreo in the layers. And you have this awesome chocolate surrounded and some more Oreo cookies on top. So let's get going. Grab yourself a bowl and put in about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I want you to shift it just like this. Now I'm not adding any sugar here because Nutella is very sweet. Add about 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Add about 1.25 cup of milk, but I want you to keep a little bit on the side just in case you want to make it a little bit more watery. And now add 1 egg slightly beaten, and I want you to add some butter. You can melt it in the microwave, and about 3 tablespoons of butter. Now add it slowly and stir so it does not become hard. So now let's keep on stirring. Let's mix everything together and make it as smooth as possible. Now if it's too thick, you find it, just add a little bit of milk and bring it up to the point that you want. Now get your Oreo cookies, and here I'm using the slim type. It just looks better, and I want you to grab some bag, and I want you to put a few inside, and now I want you to release your frustrations and start breaking these up and making it into cookie crumbles. Now grab yourself a glass dish and let's put in about 2 heaping tablespoons of Nutella, and now we have to make it more liquidy. So we're going to add a little bit of milk, and we are going to stir it, and then we're going to add a little bit more milk, and I want it to basically reach this point like this. So into the microwave for about 1.5 minutes, and when it comes out it should look just like this. If it's still not runny, just repeat the process again with a little bit of milk until you get what you want. Well, here we go. Grab yourself a Teflon pan, and I'm going to do one at a time to show you. And I'm going to put a little bit of oil, or you can put butter on the bottom. Just makes your life a little bit easier. Now I have this special ladle which gives me exactly 1 measurement. So I'm pouring it right in the middle, and I'm spreading it out because I'm a perfectionist and I like things perfectly round, or as round as possible. Now let's wait. And now you can see it's starting to bubble here and there, but wait, not yet. And if you look around the edges, you can see it's starting to change color. When it becomes a little bit solid and a little bit beige on the side, just grab your pancake and flip it over. Or you can use the pan to flip it over. Whatever makes you happy. Now if you notice and you pay attention, you can actually see that the pancake is starting to rise. And do not flatten it like this. And look at that. Absolutely a perfect pancake. Now let's transfer it to a plate, and I'm putting a bowl on it upside down to keep it warm. Okay, here we go. Grab yourself a fancy dancy plate and put 1 delicious pancake right in the center, and now grab that liquidy delicious Nutella and you just start to pour it on. Nadia, I hope you're enjoying this because this is for you, and I'm going to give you a test on this. Now let's add some of that cookie crumble on top, and now we're going to add another layer we're going to add some more of the Nutella on top and spread it around. And now make it as tall as you want, whatever keeps you happy. Well, my pancake is going to be about 4 layers. Try 6 and see what happens. Now let's add more Nutella to the top, just like this. And now we take some of the cookies and we put it on top just to decorate it, just to make it look really nice. And Nadia, I hope you enjoyed this. This is for you. I hope you try it. And again, I will be testing you on this recipe. Now go ahead and make it look awesome. Start sprinkling some of the Nutella liquid all over the plate, just like this. Well, once again, we come to an end. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you have an opportunity to make this. It might be too much on the sweet side for you, but you know children love this. So, all I can say now is goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around. Goodbye now.